Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to organize notes in Standard Notes step by step. Keeping your notes organized makes it much easier to find important information, stay productive, and manage personal or work-related content efficiently. So let's get started. First, open the Standard Notes app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see all of your existing notes listed in one place. Next, start by giving each note a clear and descriptive title. Yeah, meaningful titles make it much easier to identify notes at a glance, especially as your collection grows over time. Now, organize your notes using tags if they're available in your version of Standard Notes. I mean, you can create tags for categories such as work, personal, ideas, projects, or travel, then assign one or more tags to each note. This makes it easy to filter and locate related notes whenever you need them. You can also use the built-in search feature to quickly find notes by title, content, or tag. As your collection grows, review your notes regularly, delete outdated information, and update existing notes to keep everything accurate and easy to navigate. Finally, if your version of Standard Notes includes additional organizational features, explore them to further customize your workflow and keep your notes structured in a way that works best for you. And that's it. You now know how to organize notes in Standard Notes and keep your encrypted information neat, searchable, and easy to manage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.